Oh boy, today is the first day of school. Use the arrow keys to move. Okay class, my name is Brent Animate, and today we will be doing fractions. I'm going to call a random person up from the class, and I'm going to show them a fraction problem. So, can I have Eric up here? I'm here, Mr. Brent Animate. Now, what problem do you want me to do again? I want you to do a fraction problem. We will start with an easy one. What is 1/3 plus 1/4? Congrats, that answer is correct. The next problem is 5/6 minus 2/3. Great job, that answer is correct. Here's the last problem. What is Caillou times Caillou? Oh my god, that is wrong. That's it, it's time for suspension. No, I'm ain't gonna get suspended. Hey, shut up. You know that I'm the teacher around here? Even if you kill me, you will go to jail. You know that I'm the king of groundwork, right? Well, carefully for you. I am going to use my special attack in one more turn. You have been warned. Well, let's see if you can get past this. Well, here's my special attack. Ow, you really did hurt me. You are proving my point. I just, killed a, teacher, I got to get out of here as quick as I can.